Hello.
Hello.
What is up?
Nothing much.
How are you?
I am great. How are you?
I'm doing amazing, honestly. Just talking to people all around the world. Like, this is great. We got Georgia, Colorado. Everyone's been from North Carolina, which is kind of funny. It's all the South.
Yeah, well, we just want to show off our southern accents.
Just want to show off this southern accents. I'm dead. All right, let's break it down. Have you ran your calories yet?
Yeah, but I'm stuck though, Tyler.
You're stuck. All right, what's going on? Why are we stuck?
I'm stuck at 45. I've been teetering for 3 weeks.
You're stuck at 45 pounds?
Yeah.
Have you gone off your before? Is this Hannah?
Yes.
Oh my God, I was like, why does she sound so familiar? Hannah, you literally do we need to go back and screenshot your message you sent me about dropping pant sizes? Do we need to redo that?
No.
Well, then what are you calling me for?
Because I don't understand why I'm stuck. Like,
Get off the scale.
Okay, but it's not just the scale. Like, it's as in general. Like, I don't comprehend. If, like, nothing changes.
Besides your pant sizes are dropping, but nothing's changing.
Why don't I drop weight?
You're down 45 pounds.
Yeah, but like I haven't changed in almost 3 weeks now.
But you're dropping pant sizes.
Okay. I mean, I get that. I guess the scale doesn't match my results, and I don't understand why.
No shit. Throw the scale out the window, girl.
No, I like my scale, Tyler.
Throw your scale out the window. You don't like your scale. You get on it every single day, and you're frustrated with the scale.
But is there not like a reason, though? Like, how can... I guess it's inches instead of pounds would be the answer.
No, your body's in shock of dropping 45 pounds so quickly. So it's going to like stable out for a little bit. And that's why you're dropping pant sizes now. Just trust the process. Lindsay was on my ass every freaking week. Tyler, the scale didn't move. The scale didn't move. Now she's down 65 pounds. And her before and after photos are insane.
I mean, but I don't feel like I've changed that much, though. Like, before and after photo-wise. I mean, I have. There is a drastic difference from when I started till now.
So now we're not happy with the before and after photos, and we're not happy about the 45 pounds?
No, I am. That's the point.
What's the point then, girl?
Because I'm trying to comprehend why. Like, I guess I want an answer why my results physically don't match weight. Does that make sense?
No, I know exactly what you're saying. I just said it's rebound. The body's going through a shock of dropping 45 pounds. It just doesn't happen overnight.
Someone's so cute. The scale would take the batteries out.
I know, I did see that.
I mean, like, I'm not motivated anymore.
What do you mean you're not motivated anymore?
Not that I'm not. I'm still motivated. It's not that I'm not motivated.
Let me go back to your message you sent me and how excited you were. Let me remind you of this message. Where the heck is your message? That was like a day ago. Oh, it was a day ago.
Why does everybody want me to say "oh"? Amy has to say "oh" like 5 times.
Let's see here. Oh my. Okay, Hannah. This was Friday. Friday. You say Tyler, and I'm like, what's up? You're like, I know I'm terrible but I'm so pumped. And I'm like, oh, no. You're like, I'm down another pant size. I've gone from a 22 to an 18 since I've started. That was Friday. You were so pumped. It's Monday. What is going on?
This is not just because it's Monday. It's like...
I didn't say anything about Monday. I'm saying Friday to Monday, a lot changed.
every day.
Get off the scale.
Okay, Tyler.
Don't yell at me, girl. You're wanting this for you. You ain't wanting it for me. Is Luke watching? If Luke is watching, throw the scale away, Luke.
He is watching. He's in the other room.
Luke, it's probably bugging you as much as it bugs me. She probably gets on the scale, gets all frustrated, comes at you, complains about it, and then now she's on my live talking about it. I'll take the batteries out now. Hide all of them.
Did you hear him?
Yeah, he heard me. He replied to my comment.
No, but he actually came to the phone and he said, I'm charging the scale now.
Just trust the process, girl. Keep doing what you're doing.
I do. I guess I want to see the number on the scale drop because...
What if the number dropped 100 pounds and you still look the same?
Well, then I'm just going to be happy that I lost 100 pounds, Tyler.
What? That doesn't make psychologically any sense.
Because 100 is different. If I hit 100...
No. I said if you hit 100 pounds loss, but your body looks the exact same as it did 6 months ago. You guys, this recomp thing is nonsense. It's nonsense.
Okay, I get what you're saying.
Luke, you got a tough cookie, my guy. Get off the scale, girl.
Okay.
All right. Have an amazing night.